Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Growth Mind. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Because here we share amazing facts that help you learn, grow, and stay healthy. Brain flexed biceps. Today we're cracking open something truly interesting. The power of eggs. They might look simple, but they're one of nature's most complete and powerful foods. So let's find out why eggs are called a superfood for your body and brain. Seedling sparkles. Egg main script. Eggs are a natural source of many nutrients, including high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. They are naturally rich in vitamin B2, riboflavin, vitamin B12, vitamin D, selenium, and iodine. They also contain vitamin A and other B vitamins like folate, biotin, pantothenic acid, and choline, along with essential minerals and trace elements like phosphorus. A large whole egg, about 50 grams, contains roughly 72 calories, 6 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat, and less than 1 gram of carbohydrates, along with various vitamins and minerals. In simple words, eggs give your body strength, energy, and essential nutrients to function well every day. They support your muscles, brain, and immune system, making them one of the best foods you can include in your diet. Thanks for watching The Growth Mind. If you learned something new about nutrition today, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Because knowledge is the first step toward growth. Rock it. Keep learning, keep improving, and keep growing with a growth mind. See you in the next video. Glowing star egg.